welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make bean soup. Okay, so I used dried beans, and the beans I used were the 7-bean soup mixture. So you can use any dried bean you want for preparing the dried bean. Okay, so I soaked them overnight, drained and rinsed them, covered them with water, and cooked till they're soft, and this is the bean broth. What you do is take a ham hock, you cook it to the meat starting to fall off. Okay, I happen to have a bone left over from a ham from yesterday, so I used that. So I cooked it till all the meat would fall off, and I had great ham broth. So you take all the meat off either the ham bone or the ham hock, and you put it into the ham broth. Okay, so now I'm going to take some of the bean broth, and I'm going to dump it in here. So my pan's about halfway full. I'm going to put my carrots, celery, and I'm going to cook that. Put beans in here. The carrots and celery are soft. Okay, right. Bean soup.
Are you going to do some of that?
So I'm taking the ham, all the pieces of ham in here.
Yeah, you're cold.
I'm not cold. Are you cold?
No, but what?
Okay, just tear off the bone. Three
Mom's gonna cook with you. Are you gonna cook with you?
Yeah, she's the cook with me. Okay. So now I'm going to take a 3/4. This is my granddaughter and my helper. Okay, so I'm going to take 3/4 cups flour and 1 egg. I'll kind of beat the egg in the center before I even, then I try to bring that flour through here. I'm going to make like crumbs, and then as soon as this boils, I'm going to drop it in there. It got somewhat like crumbs, a little bit like crumbs. Okay, so now this is boiling. So I'm just going to take the crumbs, break them apart like this, so they're not big pieces. I do ribbles, and I do put big pieces in. This is a little different. It's supposed to be like crumbs. Okay, this is boiling. I'm going to let it cook for another 10 minutes. Okay, the soup's all done. Looking delicious. Let's serve it up. Okay, we're going to serve up the soup. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell, and come back and see all my videos. Krasinski on the card. Right. As long as I didn't go against anything she wanted to do. Okay. This is about 10.